There she is, 1702, Great Smoky Mountain Railroad, and the crew just got off the train. So it's just settling down here, I guess, maybe for the night. And over here we have the Polar Express, diesel. Pretty cool, huh? Good. Back down there towards Bryson City. There's a train way down there. (4210) Polar Express. Yeah. Ooh. Look at that. What's that? That's part of railroad track, I guess. Leftover stuff like that bolt. Step up here and take a look at it. Great Smoky Mountain Railroad. We'll go up here and look at the caboose. Cabooses. There's more than one. Is that right? You say cabooses? Yeah, I think you can probably rent this for a party if you want. Right on the back of the train. Yeah. Oh, I think we got another diesel coming in. They're leaving. Huh. Wonder what that is. I'll have to go back and see. I was going to take you up and see that engine. That's a passenger train, looks like. Oh, falling over these holes. Stuff like that laying on the ground. I think I'll walk up here. Look at this engine and caboose looks like. Look at this stuff I'm having to walk over. Yeah, this is a busy place here, Bryson City. Bryson City, North Carolina, United States of America. See if we can get across here. Car coming, so just wait for him. That's Smoky Mountains right up that road. Got a nice little park there from Bryson City. I mean, there's much a huge park there, but Bryson City has a place where you can go tubing. You rent a tube and just float down the river. That's a lot of fun. I've done that. Great Smoky Mountain Railroad. Yeah, another engine. 1755. A power line out here. In case you need power, right? And a couple of cabooses. Yep. Santa Fe. Yeah, they didn't have that air conditioning on top of it back in the day. I guarantee you that. No, sir. That was the new thing. Pretty neat, pretty neat. I'll catch you on the flip side, I guess. Zoom out here.